Okay, well, it's another exciting day for me. So it is mail call time. I received a package for some special parts that I'm really excited to see. So I saw this for sale, and I haven't seen another like it for sale, and it was something that I needed, so I just couldn't pass it up. I'd actually been looking for these, not necessarily in this condition. Let's see. I'm hoping it's as good as it looked in the pictures. Well, we have some newspaper wrapped up here. What is this? Unboxing time, unwrapping. Gift to myself, who knows? Anybody guess? They're wrapped in papers from 2009. Interesting. Ooh. Oh yeah. Hello, hello, hello. Ah. Hello, hello, hello. That is as beautiful and as described, just as I had been hoping. So that is a new old stock taillight housing for a 1961 Plymouth Fury. And I don't know why, when these come up, they seem to be dented quite often. Now, if you've ever seen the quarter panel on the car, it's actually kind of curved inward, and these housings are inside the curve, kind of set inside the quarter panel. You would think they would be a little more protected, but they're quite often dented and quite often quite rusty. But this is exquisite. So I actually have only one of those on the car. So I was hoping to find a nice one, or maybe even a pair. And all the ones I was finding for sale, they really weren't the greatest. If they had decent chrome, which few of them did, very few. If they did happen to have decent chrome, then they had dents. So this is another very nice. New old stock taillight housing. So there we have my left and right. And nice Chrysler Corporation box. So what have we got in here? Where did my knife go? There we go. Let's see. Oh, the suspense. More vintage newspapers. Ah, yeah. Ooh, beautiful. Beautiful. And there. Don't know if we can read that here. See, there we go. Original Plymouth taillight lens. Very nice. New old stock bezel with the lens. Very nice. Now, the biggest problem, besides finding nice chrome housings, is this bezel on the end here. They're usually very pitted. And this is very nice. Wonderful. So, one more gift left in the box. It's a gift to me, because I had to pay for it. But definitely well worth the investment. There's the other one. Man, that's gorgeous. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. So we can set these together to show how they look assembled. There we go. Very, very cool taillights. Thank you, Virgil Exner, for your wonderful far out space age designs. I love it. And thank you to the person that sold me these, because they are exactly what I was looking for. So hard to find nice ones. And these housings, I don't know if they're pot metal or whatever they are, but they get big blisters, big pits in them. To even have them re-chromed takes a lot of work, because you gotta fix all those blisters, and then they're inside the grooves, and it's just a pain. But this is perfect for my 1961 Plymouth Fury convertible. So if you haven't seen any of my previous videos, please go check that out. That was a barn find that I picked up. I think it's been off the road since 1980. So picking up the bits and pieces that I need to complete it. I'm very happy. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.